Right. Role of taxi noise. We'll do it in part C. Okay guys, the other one, part B, state 3 pieces of information that must be present on a source document if it is be used as a taxi noise. Yes, yes, what is it? Firstly, we'll have to have term taxi noise. Yep. Yes, GST amount. Sorry? No. GST amount, and then ABN of the seller, right? And then also we can have the date of transaction, the date of the transaction, right?
Can we write it like that in dot points?
Yeah, because they're asking state.
Even like in the exam?
Yeah, state 3 pieces. Why? It's very clear to the examiner. Okay guys, part C. Calculate the missing figures to complete the table above. Yes. So March 1st, how much is the amount? 440, good. Then March 5th, 600. 13th, 39, 72, and 792. 23rd, 1200, 1320. Yes. Then the other one is how much? 920. 920, 92, 1012. So everyone is okay in calculating this one, last one. What do you do? 1012 should be divided by 11 or 12. 11. Not 12?
No, 11.
Why is it 11?
That's 100%.
Yes, because this is equivalent to 110. So you divide by 110. times by 10, which we call as 11. Yep. Otherwise, if you want to calculate straight away the 100%, you times it by 100. So that means you are dividing by 1.1. Okay. Yeah, because when I ask sometimes 11 or 12, students get confused. Yeah, now you know the exact idea. Nobody can trick you. Okay. Yes. Because at the school, teachers tell you to divide by 11. Yes. Yeah. So otherwise, but the students don't know the logic, or the teachers don't teach the logic behind that. Okay, guys. Part D, calculate the total GST received by the business. How much is the total GST received? Yeah, 9 for 13, 11, 14, 21, 32, 423. Okay, guys. Right. Explain why small businesses who make sales involved in the GST have a liability to the ATU. So not only the small businesses, any businesses, small business, medium, large scale businesses, any business can have. What do you mean by small business? So that is very small in size.
Number of employees.
Sorry?
That's like the number of employees.
Number of employees, how many? 25?
Less than 10.
Less than 30?
Less than 20.
Less than 20? Yes. 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 Less than 20. 20 or less is small business. Yes.
Partnership or so.
Yeah, partnership or sole trader, that is a form of the business. That is a legal thing. Right? That's how you structure, that's how you register. Right? Small business is a different term. So small business, one criteria is number of employees. Right? Then medium business means 22, more than 20 plus to? No. 199. Yes, less than 200. Then 200 plus is large businesses. Then there is one criteria, the number of employees. Also, the sales turnover. Yes, sales turnover means value of sales. If the sales revenue is how much? Less than
3 million.
2 million. Yes, less than 2 million is the small business. Yeah, less than 2 million is a small business. Somebody said 3 million? Who said?
Because I learned it in a different subject.
Sir?
I learned it in a different subject, but
Yeah, 2 million is a sales volume. Not volume, sales revenue.
Isn't that there's like a taxation requirement or something?
Taxation
Requirement
for?
for specific businesses.
Yes.
108,000 minimum turnover.
Yeah, not 108, 75,000. That then, any business that generates sales revenue more than 75,000 a year has to pay GST.
So below that?
Below that, no. No, not necessary, not compulsory. If it is more than that,
Then compulsory.
must. And also, regardless, there are some businesses like taxi or those ones, they have to pay GST regardless. Uber, those ones, they have to pay GST. Okay. We call GST threshold 75,000. Okay, guys. Then next one, why small? Yeah, this one. Why businesses who make sales involved in GST have a liability to the ATU? Why is that?
Because when you make a sale, they're collecting money that's that needs to go to the ATU.
Sorry?
Actually, I don't know.
Yes, you are on the correct track.
Because the business is in a payable position, so they have to pay money to the ATO.
They are in a
They-
payable
yeah.
position. Why?
Because they have an obligation to
Obligation. Then what if like they have a GST liability? What if like the opposite? The ATO, I mean ATO is refunding GST to
then
them.
that's an asset.
That's a
Asset?
That's an asset, yes. Then why wouldn't a business why wouldn't a business have a GST as an asset rather than obligation?
When you make sales, you collect these.
Yes, you collect GST, yes.
So after the sales have happened, then you have to pay GST.
Yes, but the other thing is like for sales we pay GST, for the expenses for sales we collect GST, for expenses we pay GST. Then
So when we collect GST, we can't use that, right?
It's like you pay more GST than you receive.
And you owe.
yeah, that's one. Sorry.
Like you pay more GST
Yes, you pay more GST
than you receive.
than you received.
No, you receive more than
Yes, opposite. We collect more GST than we pay. Why is that? Because
because you make sales.
yes, you make
Involving this.
yeah, we make more sales revenue than we spend money.
Yeah.
That's how we make a profit. Otherwise, let's say our sales is right. Let's say our sales is 1,000, right, and we are spending 1,500 our expenses on which we pay GST. So that means every time we'll have a GST asset, GST receivable, but we don't make profits. Make sense? Right? We make more sales revenue than we spend or than we pay for expenses. Yes. Right.
Direct taxation.
Okay, guys. Right. Question number 2. Sorry, still writing. Right. Question number 2, GST clearing. Right. State what type of transaction caused the 3 credit entries in the GST clearing. Account of ENI Pianos.
No. Credit interest, right? Liability interest. So, sales. Cross reference with bank. Yeah, sell. Yeah, sell. Credit sales. No. Credit or cash.
Sales.
Yeah. What are those? What type of transaction?
Credit or cash sale?
Credit to cash sale?
No. Wait, credit.
It's a liability.
First credit or even cash receivable.
Then it's just
Oh yeah, cash sale.
Cash sale? Anything else? Credit sales?
No.
No, Pranav?
Cross reference. Cash receivable.
Anything else?
Wait, what happens when there's
Yes? Cash sales or credit sales?
cash sale? What happens when there's
Yes.
sales?
Cash sales, yes?
you should go down. Just go down.
Yeah, we did the double entries for sales returns, yes? And purchase return, yeah. Right. Yes, remember the double entry for sales returns? Yes? What's the double entry for sales return in cash basis?
Cash at bank goes up.
Cash at bank goes up.
Yeah. And then inventory goes.
Cash at bank goes up.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I mean cash at bank. No, cash at bank goes.
Bank goes up,
Bank goes up,
inventory goes up,
No, bank
goes
sales-
up,
Please, for sales.
Bank goes down.
cost of
Bank goes
sales
down.
goes down.
cost of sales goes down.
Sales return.
Wait,
Oh, yeah.
we're doing credit.
Yeah.
Sales
So what is it? Well, okay, hold on. My question. What is the cash? My question. Yeah. So sales returns in cash basis. Yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
bank goes
We don't do
down.
cash.
We don't know. Sorry.
Oh, cash.
Cash we don't do cash.
Wait,
We go for boost.
Yeah. Yeah. Except one. Everybody got tricked. Yes. Okay. What do we do? We don't do. We don't have. What is it? Sales returns on cash basis. We don't have. Yes. Have I told you? No.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. You shouldn't get tricked, yes? That's what I basically what I play. That's the role of the examiners, that I play. Right? So no cash sales returns, yes? Okay, then what's the double entry for the sales return? There's only one set. I mean one set in the sense like only one type of transaction for sales return, only credit basis, yes?
Accounts receivable decreases.
Accounts receivable
decrease,
decrease, so debit to credit.
Credit.
credit,
Credit. Why? Accounts receivable is
an asset,
asset what happens?
decrease,
Decrease credit is accounts receivable credit. Then at which price though? Selling price or cost price?
Selling price.
Selling price? Yes, selling price. Good. Then what else?
GST credit.
GST clearing, what happens?
Debit.
Debit. And then what else?
Sales.
Sales,
Yeah.
No.
Debit sales.
debit sales. Debit sales.
No, sales returns gets credit. Sales.
no, it's debit sales,
Debit sales.
because it's revenue that's decreased.
Revenue decreases. Good.
There's a separate thing for sales returns.
Yes.
Sales returns is negative revenue, right?
Yeah.
So that means when it increases, it's a debit sales returns.
Debit sales return, correct. We don't debit the sales. Remember? I told you, yes? We don't debit the sales.
So there's a separate.
Separate ledger account. Yes, separate ledger account. Right? Remember I told you the reason, yes? Why? Because it is useful for decision making. Otherwise, the owner or the manager, whoever runs the business, doesn't know what is happening to the sales return if he just reverse the sales account. We don't know how much the sales return, yes? So we report it separately. Why? For decision making. If there was something, quality issue, right? Some customer preference change, we don't know what has happened, then it's useful for decision making, yes? It's a easy question, right? So using a separate ledger account for sales return. Do we have a purchase return account?
No.
No, we don't have purchase return. Yeah, then, okay, done. At the selling price, done. At the cost price,
Cost of sale credit
cost of sales credit,
and inventory debit.
inventory debit. Okay guys, what is it? A, what type of transaction caused the 3 credit entries in the GST?
Cash sale.
Cash sales, yes? Yep. Right, referring to the dates of the debit entries in the GST, suggest which transaction is most likely to relate to a purchase of inventory. Justify your answer.
16 piano.
60? Yep. Purchase of inventory. Yes, purchase of inventory. Which one?
16.
16. Why is it 16? What about the other ones?
Because they sell pianos.
They sell pianos, yes? Then?
And they're expensive.
They are expensive, very good. Pianos are expensive. So which can be, inventory can be at least, definitely inventory is 5,000, yes? Other amounts can't be because piano, I don't know, like piano can't be 120, 350, no. Yep. Even I think
No.
keyboard is even like 350. Yes? Okay. Transaction guys, like part B.
Business source. We need justification.
Hmm.
So we're gonna say oh yeah, multiple. Have you seen the other ones like interest payments?
All the cash payments.
Electricity. It's not good.
Also, it can be something like this, like what we purchase on the 2nd has been sold on the 5th.
Oh, because look at the sales. They were all like less than. There's no way we purchased for 500 and sold for.
Yep.
We make 3-4 pianos. We make so much pianos.
Exactly. So wait.
Okay. So what we purchased on the 2nd was resulted in this one. We don't know.
Hey, did they do that?
Crazy one.
Licensed pianos. But like, it can't be 500. Oh no, Rango. What if they purchased a batch of pianos, totaling up to 500?
Yep.
But then they sold it, like they didn't sell that many, the same batch amount. They sold like less in quantity.
Yep.
But for a lower total price.
Yep. Yeah, that's also possible. Right. Yeah. So either way we can prove it. Yes. transaction 16th of August.
I felt back to
Sorry?
500.
5,000.
No. At the table, the amount is just 500.
Mm-hmm.
What is GST?
That's a GST about inventory.
Wait, what? Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. I think shouldn't it be like 550?
No, because GST amount is 500.
Yeah.
So then,
Oh.
which is 10%.
Yeah.
Cash that.
Wait, then it could be any.
After table piano for 35 pence.
Then piano would have been 350. I don't know if there are pianos for 350. I don't know actually.
I don't think so.
Yeah, about 4 or 5 years ago, we purchased a keyboard that was around 400. I mean, small kind of thing, but I don't know about second-hand pianos, you know.
But like, I guess the selling prices would be still be
Yeah.
lower. So
Sorry?
the sale would still be lower than 350, right? Because they sold it for like 240.
Yes. So 350, 240 means 2400 sales.
Oh. But that's markup is
Yes, huge.
yeah 70%.
Maybe we don't know if they service the piano and then they sell it.
For refurbishment.
Yes. Sorry?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yes. Okay, guys. Then next one, part C. Balance the GST clearing account. Yeah, please balance it. If you won't, we can't do it on the first one. Please do it in the. It's on actually 2 pages, but should be fine. You don't need to balance it, or you can balance. Yeah. What's the process of balancing, guys?
Totally
Remember?
lost.
Yeah, do it. Right. So what's the total? 810 on the credit side. So 810. So the difference is 31st of August balance 223.
Yeah.
223. September 1st balance. So what's the real balance of this ledger account? This one, the credit one. The one after the total is the real balance. Yes. Right. Part D. Okay. This one. Referring to answer to part C, explain how the GST credit account would be reported in the balance sheet as at 31st August. Yes. Yes, ladies first. What do you think, Sana? Yeah, what is this one? So we have a balance on the credit side, meaning yes, Krishna.
It would be reported as GST receivable.
GST receivable. Okay. What do you think, guys? GST payable.
Yeah,
Why is it payable?
Because it's a liability that we have to pay out.
Liability.
Yeah.
Yes. Why? Because we have
collected more GST.
we have received more GST
Then we pay.
than we have paid. We have collected, received GST. We have collected how much? 810 is right. Whereas we have paid how much?
100
Yes. Sorry. 587. Yes. So that means we have paid only 587, whereas we have 223 GST
Payable.
payable retained, yes, in our hand. So that should be payable. So then what's the answer for this one, guys? They're asking, referring to answer to part C, how it would be reported in the balance sheet.
Current liability.
Current liability. Why? Present obligation
As a result,
as a result of past events. What are the past events?
receiving more GC,
Very good, collecting more GST than paid. Yes. Then
that will result in the transfer of
transfer of economic
benefit.
resource. Yes, economic resource. Economic benefit is for the asset. Economic resource, which is
Cash.
cash at bank when it is settled. When it is what do you call it? When the GST is settled to the ATO during the
Balance sheet.
sorry balance day.
Did I say balance sheet is
No. During the next 12 months. Okay, very good. Now that's the standard, guys, for the answer for your answer. When you write it, nobody can cut your mark. Remember, not even the God can cut your marks. Okay? Yes. Trust me. All right. Okay. Shall we write it? Or do you want to write it? Or shall I write it?
I think you should write it.
I should write it.
It's good. It's better.
during the next 12 months. Okay. Right. The next one, guys. Part E, last one. Record the transaction in the general journal, which is actually on 4th September 25. That means we did the transactions for the 31st August, then 4th September. After 4 days, Pianos made the payment to the ATO for the balance owing as of 31st August. Check 658. So record this transaction in the general journal, right? Actually, guys, check, let's change it. We don't have checks anymore. Please make it EFT. EFT. EFT 658. Right. Then what is it? So they are making the payment. Right. So what's the double entry for that?
So I made a payment to the ATO. Oh,
Just to know,
GST clearing is
liability and
decreasing. Yes, GST liability decreases. Debit, very good. Where do you credit?
bank.
Wonderful. Back. Right? So we can do the ledger accounts or general journal. Which one? Or both?
no.
Shall we do the ledger account first?
What is that?
Here.
Oh, we're just gonna add it on.
Yes. How do we do it? Ledger account? Debit. Okay. So we'll write it. What is it? September 4. How much? 223. Same? What? What's the cost reference?
Wait, why isn't it for
General journal?
isn't it for August? So why are you?
Yes. Now we are on the September. So August 31st. Then next day is September.
So
See?
one will be separate.
No, we can continue in the same ledger account if you want. So this will be continued.
So imagine like multiple months.
Yeah, will be continued. That's how it happens in the. I mean, practically, if you were doing in a book. Yeah. So you can continue it forever. If you are doing it in Excel, we can go forever. I don't know how many lines can you go. I don't know.
So are you gonna draw up the GST clearing?
No, I mean, if you want, we can continue.
No, you don't have a GST clearing, do you?
GST. This is a GST clearing.
Okay, on the bank one.
Yeah, bank we don't have. You are correct. Bank ledger account I don't have. Right, bank will be created if you want. We can draw somewhere where we have space. Right, bank is created and then GST is debited. Okay, this is how they will ask you in the exam. So how do you record it? Bank. That's it.
Apparently, there was a question, it was a multi-month question.
Sorry, what question?
A multi-month.
Multi-month. Yes.
So you make one and then you have to
Yeah.
continue.
You can continue. You can continue forever. Okay. Okay, then guys, what's the double entry if it was in the general journal? Yes, September 4th. Right? What do you debit? GST clearing. How much? Sorry? 223. Bank credit 223. Okay, now I think for the I think I showed you how to do the narration. What's the narration, guys? I showed you narration, yes, last week. Narration. What's the narration? You know narrator, yes? Yes. Narration is a brief description about the double entry or the transaction that we have entered in the general journal. Right? So why did we do this one in other journals? When we did like, what is it? For cash journal, you did last year, yes? Cash resist journal, this year, yes, not last year. Still this year. Cash resist journal, cash payments journal, sales, purchases. Did we write narration? No. So why do we write in this one then?
This is one. This is like.
Because it's a double entry, so you have to.
No.
Is it because like one journal for everything?
Yes, that's the thing. Because we have a mix of everything. It's like a salad. Yeah. So then before we serve the salad to the people, we are saying, this is that, this is this meat, this is that vegetable. Otherwise, people will get food poison. Yes. Yeah, something like that. We are basically giving a description. Whoever refer it. Okay. Right. Okay. GST settlement. EFT 658, yes.
But can you be asked to narrate like the whole journal?
Sorry, whole?
Can you be asked to narrate like everything in the journal?
You mean the narration?
Yeah.
Yes. For each and every transaction, yes. Yes, remember earlier we did like about 10-15 transactions, then they can ask narrations for each and every one.
Wait, is it 1 mark for narration?
Narration there is no mark, but if you didn't write the narration correctly, they'll cut you marks. So let's say for this one, they can give you 2 marks, right? Then if you didn't write the narration correctly, they can cut 1 mark. Okay? Yeah. Sometimes, okay, like to answer your question, sometimes they'll allocate a mark for the narration, sometimes no. So there is no mark for narration necessarily. Okay. Okay. Then the other one is, guys, there's another one. So now when we go, okay, I think the next question. Sometimes, see, this one they say, it says narrations not required. See, part B, narrations are not required. Yes, that means, do you have right narration? No. But this one, nothing. Silent. That means, still we don't write narration. We write the narration. If it is silent, write the narration. Sometimes they'll say narration is required. That means definitely you have to write it. Even if it is silent, you have to write it. Why is that? It's like, if you draw a dog or a cat, then do you draw a tail? Yes, exactly. Sometimes then you can say, there are dogs without tail. Yeah, true, but usually, something like that. Because that part, narration is anyway a part of the double entry in the general journal. So then you must do it. If it is silent, yes, you must do it. Yes? Okay. That's it, yes? Okay, guys, question number 3. Yeah, one is for homework. Yeah, shall we do question number 4? Yeah, we'll do for question number 4. Because it's source documents.
Question 3 is final.
Question 3 is one. These days you can do more homework, yes? No school, yes?
Yeah.
No school, yes? They shall I give you more homework?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes?
What kind of homework?
Yes? Yeah. No homework? Yeah. And I'll give you. If you want, I can update in the website. Yeah.
Also, you know this, the recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
That we didn't have for accounting elements?
What do you mean?
Because remember, I told you after class last week?
Yes.
Like it didn't get uploaded.
Ah. Which one was that?
Third
Count third one. Yeah, upload it now.
Is this juicy? Oh, it's not in the folder. You need the the main levels.
Okay, if you are not sure about the theory questions, leave it. Right? Otherwise, if you want to try with the pencil.
Wait, so do we do the theory or the straight to the thing?
Yeah, whichever. If you are confident on the theory, yeah, you can try. If you are not sure with the theory, yeah, try with the pencil. Okay.
You see it
So every document that involves GST, does it have tax invoices?
Yes. Every source document that has GST will have the term tax invoice.
no goods and services involved. So that's the reason. see. No, this Bridgeton company. But what can't, it's not an EFT, it's bank. There's no terms on it. So it has to be change payment. What is it? Payment receipt. I think it's receipt. Could be an EFT. So actually could be. There's not a company receipt. The company receipt. We'll do receipt. Wait, we don't have to say it. We'll just say the transaction. Which is the cash purchase. No, it's just Jordan. Yeah. Alright, you're still not knowing the info. They're the same. Just in case if the question has different thing. Wait, shit. Wait, what's document C?
Document C.
Yeah.
What do you think?
If it was an EFT,
EFT.
it doesn't have a bank on it.
It's a receipt for favors.
Receipt.
Issue by favors.
Yeah. Receipt. What do you think, guys? Document C.
So just say,
Receipt.
Receipt.
Varun? Receipt. Yes. It's a receipt. Why?
Wait, so even if like the focus business is like Harvey Norman,
Yeah.
whatever it is,
Yeah.
Norman Harvey.
Norman.
Harvey.
No, Norman Harvey is the owner of the business.
Actually,
It's Stipe.
Yes, Steve.
wait,
Sorry.
wait, actually?
I mean, actually, yes. Actually, the owner is, yes, Harvey Norman, yes.
Wait,
Owner is Harvey Norman, yeah. I made it up like Norman Harvey.
so even if the focus business is Norman Harvey, we can still say it's a receipt for Fables Energy.
Yes, receipt for the Faber's Energy, correct, which is the electricity company.
Wait, what is it for us?
What is it?
What is it for Norman Harvey?
Yeah, so for Stip and Buck, which is the customer, then what is it?
They have an EFT issue.
Yes, EFT receipt, which is a what? A confirmation for
There's
payment. Because they haven't received, they have paid, for which the company has issued a receipt. So then for the customer, it can treat it as a, what is it? Confirmation of payment. Yes?
So that would be another source document.
Yes, this receipt for the Fables, yes, it's a receipt,
Yeah.
it's a sales or whatever, but the other one for the Steep and Bug, so for them, it's what is it? Basically an expense, yes, electricity expense. Yeah. Okay, for now done that one. That tube 3.
Not a question. Okay, see. So like, you know how it says service charge and usage, right?
Sorry, which one? Question 3. See?
Alright. Yeah, for general Jane. Okay. What? Oh, is it just electricity too? Both of them are like electricity, right? Because that's the GST account. I mean, not the GST.
Sorry, what do you mean by both of them are electricity?
Because you add them up to get the electricity, right? That's in document C.
Yeah, document C, yes. Yeah, I don't understand your question.
Because you know how like when you record the double entry for
document C, yes.
There's gonna be bank credited,
Yes, bank credit.
GST debited,
GST debited.
and then the other one is gonna be electricity, right?
Yes, the other one is electricity, yes.
And when you calculate that amount, you just add up the two, right? The usage and
Hold on, bank debited? You sure? What do you say bank debited?
it's credit. Bank is credited.
Bank credit.
Alright.
No?
Electricity. To get the electricity amount, you add up the usage and service charge, right? You just add them up.
Yeah.
Wait, you have to do narration for like what you did.
For which one? Part C?
General.
No, part D.
Not required.
For D.
Yeah, you need narration.
Wait, even if it doesn't say.
Yeah, that's what did I say?
Yeah.
If it is silent,
Yeah.
what did I say?
Thank you, narration.
Yes, remember what's the example I said? You are drawing a
The 7.
dog,
Oh, yeah.
then do you have to draw the tail?
Yeah.
Yes, like that.
So you only don't do it if they tell you.
If they tell you not to, correct. Otherwise, all the other times you have to say, you have to do it.
Is document A purchase of an individual?
Document A. Yeah, so what is it? Document A, what is it, Sanya?
Receipt.
It's a receipt, but the customer is Steve Buck and Mills. So that means, what is it? Is it a sale or purchase? Purchase, yes, because the customer is because we are doing it for Steve and Buck. Yeah.
It just says like in his equities 33,900. need to divide that between like expenses and capital because it doesn't say like they have this amount of capital. It doesn't say. It just says they have.
Yeah, capital. It says yes at the beginning.
No, like it just says earners equity.
Yeah. So how do you record? Just balance.
Like just under capital.
Yes, under the capital, just balance.
We just leave these empty.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about them. I mean, yeah, unless they are not, they haven't. No, inventory is there. Inventory is there. Bank there. GST. Owner's equity. Others, yeah, nothing. There's nothing.
What is the
Yep.
what is the verification for an ATM ID? How do you find the source of the number?
Reference number 819.
So that's drawings.
That's a drawing. Yes.
You don't do like that.
Okay, guys, shall you do it? Okay. Part A. Identify document B. What is it? ATM docket. ATM docket, right? What is this docket mean?
It's like when you adopt.
Docket? Sorry?
Just
Document, yes. Docket, because like I haven't seen, like earlier I used to teach for London syllabus, but I haven't had something called docket. So in Australia everything gets shortened, you know, document becomes docket, yes. Yeah. ATM docket. So why don't we have GST? Because this is an what? Internal transaction, right? Internal transaction between the owner and the business.
Wait, also right.
Yeah. And-
When you're withdrawing money, it's not related to a good or service, right?
Yeah, correct. There is no transfer of goods or service. Yeah. Right, next one, guys. Explain how the transaction in document C would affect the GST liability of the firm. Right. Transaction C, what is happening, guys? Yes?
So for electricity,
Yes.
including GST.
GST. Yeah. Is this a tax invoice?
Yeah.
Yes, it says tax invoice. And does it say GST? GST amount? Yes. It says include 25 of GST, yes?
Yeah.
What will happen to the GST liability, guys? Why? We have to explain. Yeah? Payment of GST to the ATO? No, not to the ATO. Then to whom?
Wait, which question?
B.
To
Fables
yeah,
energy. Yeah. Then, how come it decreased the GST?
because it
We haven't paid it to the ATU, have we?
it's on behalf of the ATU.
Sorry.
It's on behalf of the ATU.
Sorry.
It's on behalf of.
On behalf of the ATU. So then Faber's Energy can't retain that GST, then they have to forward it to the ATU. Yes. So it is indirectly paying to the ATU. Good. So write it. So role of the general journal in accounting system, identify at least one qualitative characteristic that supports your answer. Yes? What do you think, guys?
It says at least one. So
At least one, yes?
I feel like both relevance and understandability.
Faithful representation.
Faithful representation? Why?
Because the role of the general journal is to analyze and record key transactions.
Yes, then what else? Not really analyze and
Comparability.
record is correct, but not really to analyze. What else?
It's either I think relevance or understandability.
Relevance or understandability. Do you think that we provide this one to the users, general journal?
No, because it's
No.
general GPT.
No,
Okay, so there's relevance.
not relevance really. Yeah. Your answer is correct, only explanation is, what is it? You are close. So in the general journal, what do we record at the end?
Middle word.
After each and every transaction, what do we?
Narration.
Narration. In the narration, what do we include?
Explanation.
Explanation along with source document reference. So then, from the, verifiability and also faithful. Yeah, faithful is correct because why? It is basically providing providing accurate information. Yes, and it is not. It is free from material errors and bias. Yeah, neutral. So we'll write it, guys. you want, we can write about relevance as well. Yeah, holds relevance and faithful representation. Yes. Right. Okay, guys. Next one. Okay, everyone is good. Yeah. What's the double entry? So then part D, yes, record these transactions in the general journal. What are the transactions? Only 3. Yeah, only 3 with narrations. Yes. First one. What's the double entry, guys? What is it? Sale or purchase of inventory? Purchase of inventory. Yes. In cash or credit? Cash. So what's the double entry? Inventory. Increase debit. Sorry. Inventory increase debit. Yes. And then January 4th. Yes. Inventory debit. How much? 1400. Then GST. Clearing. Debit 140. And you credit the bank 1540. Then what's the narration, guys? Purchase of inventory in cash. Yes. What is the thing? Yeah. So and then what is it? Receipt 9808. That's it. Basically, yeah, you don't have to write a lot of details. Yes. Anybody who wants more information, now go and check the receipt. That one. Okay. Right. Okay. Then basically, next one, guys. What's the double entry for the next one? Yes. Drawings. Bank. The date is what's the date? 10th. January 10th. Drawings. Why do we debit drawings, guys? Negative honest equity. And we credit the bank. Owner withdrew cash for personal use. Yep. Then ATM. What is it? ATM docket. ATM or reference number 819. Yes. Yeah. Reference. ATM reference 819.
Wait, how do you know who's drawing the money?
Yeah, this one basically ATM. That's a good question. That I think I didn't explain you today, but I have explained it before to you. Yes. So basically, if it is withdrawn, I mean, if you are given ATM ID, basically it is withdrawn by the owner mostly. Okay, mostly it's the owner because other people can't withdraw money, right? Usually other people can't withdraw money. Actually, that reminds me of something. Like one of my friends who has actually tire shop, he said he has given his credit card, business credit card to his manager, right? Then he said that like he's complaining to me like sometimes he purchases, like basically he has given money to pump his car, but like sometimes he purchases like coffee, or coffee is even better. Like he purchases what is it, cigarettes and those things. Right? Yeah. So then basically, yeah. Eventually, like that guy was sacked, not for that one, for another reason, right? Not for that. And basically, yeah. So that's what like people do. So still, or like that's why I said usually, owner is the one. Yes, internal control. Usually the owner is the one who withdraws money, but sometimes there can be some exceptions. Alright, then guys, we recorded that one. Then what's the next one? Okay, what's the double entry for this one, guys? Yes, Christian, did you do?
Electricity.
Yeah?
Bank.
No. Yes, son. Yes, GST. Yes. How much is electricity, Christian? What's the date? I don't know the date. 250 electricity. Still 7:15. We have more time, yes? 7. Look. I'm following the clock. Okay, 250. Yes, then GST. Clearing. 25. And you credit the bank. 275. So what's the narration, guys? Electricity, yeah. Electricity expense paid with GST. We can put the. Don't worry about that one. Receipt. What's the receipt, guys? No receipt?
There's an EFT at the bottom. Amount paid. Technically, it's the same transaction.
No, this one.
Which number?
Right in
What?
I and V, and then you write that.
That's, no. That's only for
Yeah, that's
register.
that's
Oh.
that's the
Yeah. 32,014, that one. Yeah, because why? Because this is not the EFT. EFT payment was made by the EFT, but this is not the EFT document C. Yes? Remember? You want me to show it?
Yeah.
You agree with me?
Yeah. No, wait.
Yeah, yes or no? What do you mean by yeah, no?
Because look, it's the same transaction, but on their side it's receipt. On this side it's payment, right? EFT payment.
Yeah, but
Technically the transaction is the same.
but the EFT hasn't been given to us. What we have been given is receipt, yes?
We can't.
Hold on. What is the transaction? Like, see, for example, there was this one, see? Then which one are we using? This is the receipt.
Yeah. So we use the number next to the taxation.
Yep. Because we can't use technically the EFT. Yes?
Yeah.
Why? Because it was not the EFT that we were given. We were given this one.
So is that the receipt number?
Yeah. Receipt number 32.
Can they do that and they put it next to the tax?
Yeah. That's fine. Tax invoice is just a term. Tax invoice is just a term. For them, it's like a cash sale.
Yeah.
For them, for the Fables Energy, it's like for them, it's like a cash sale. Right? So, number, what is it? 32,014. So it's actually a receipt number. Right, then is that all? Now we have to do the ledger accounts.
Do we do trial balance?
For this one? No, not trial balance. Yeah, then you want me to do the ledger accounts or you okay? You guys are good? But you have to complete it, okay? Okay, and then homework is question number 3. 3 that bit, yeah, 3, and then 4 the ledger accounts. And also you have revised, guys. I don't want you to see, like you are lagging behind in the previous one, so still some people can't balance the ledger accounts. I don't like that. Okay, you guys have to practice.